40. At St. Louis, light rain was falling. And 48. At Des Moines, snow flurries were reported. And 37. At the Twin Cities.
This is only a test. There is no severe weather threat currently across Wisconsin.